Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make fried lamb meat in tomato sauce mixed with boiled eggs. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Today's ingredients, I will use a half a kg of lamb's meat, or you can use any other meat that you prefer. A half a teaspoon of black pepper, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, 3 boiled eggs, 1 lemon, ginger garlic paste about 1.5 tablespoon, garam masala 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of beef masala, 3 large tomatoes, 2 large onions, and lastly about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil or ghee. In a medium bowl, you'll add your meat. Make sure you have washed and drained the water. Then you'll add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, beef masala 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala about 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, and lastly I'll squeeze 1 lemon and mix everything well and nice. Make sure you've mixed everything well and nice so that the spices blends in with the meat, and cover to let it marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. After an hour of marination, add the marinated meat in a pot and the 3 sliced large onions and some oil about 4 to 5 tablespoons, and mix everything well and nice, and cover to let it cook in a medium heat till the meat is soft and tender. Let the meat to cook slowly by slowly till it produces some oil, and keep on stirring constantly to avoid the meat from sticking at the bottom. You can add more water if the meat is not yet soft, and let the meat to cook again till it becomes soft and tender. Once the meat is soft and it has produced some oil like this, then add the 3 large tomatoes, but you have to blend them as you can see in the video, and mix everything well, and let it cook on a medium heat and stirring constantly till the stew is less and it has produced some oil. When everything is well cooked and the stew is thick and less like this, then your fried lamb's meat in tomato sauce is ready, and serve on a bowl. Serve your lamb's meat on a bowl, and then lastly I will add the sliced white boiled eggs. As you can see in the video, I've cut them into small pieces and mix well, and serve your lamb's meat on a plate. And my fried lamb's meat in tomato sauce with eggs is ready. As you can see in the video, look how tasty and delicious the lamb's meat look. You can serve along with some chapati, rice, or anything you prefer, and enjoy your lamb's meat. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of meat, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.